I just finished fully servicing this vintage Karl Griesbaum singing bird cage. This is one of the older models. If you notice, it has the wire loop feet. And I'm going to start off in the pause mode so you can see that the bellows are in very good condition. And then I'll move it to continuous after that. Nice long pause. We'll wait for one more. Remove it to continuous after the bird starts singing again. The bird animates and sings flawlessly, hitting all the proper oscillating notes. The beak opens and closes, the tail flaps up and down, and the bird's head rotates from left to right. Really an excellent, excellent vintage condition, and it works exactly as it should. In summary, a vintage Karl Griesbaum singing bird cage that I fully serviced, and it works perfectly. Take care.